In this video, we're going to talk about the U-Cell LED strip, which is again one of the specialist range for the LED cell range. The U-Cell is the LED strip range developed specifically for large-scale project. The U in the name stands for ultra long, and it because it allows you to create a very long continuous run without cutting or without having to use multiple drivers. This is because instead of using 24-volt driver, it uses a 48-volt drivers, and which are available in our range in different sizes, as dimmable and undimmable. So, for example, this one that I'm holding is a classic IP20 48-volt driver, but of course we have also an IP-rated 48-volt driver. In this case, this is a dimmable one. So, the main difference between the 24-volt and the 48 range, as the name says, is like the power output of the driver. Thanks to the 48-volt system, we can have a lower current, a reduced heat generation, a better energy efficiency, and of course we can improve the long distance, the maximum length of distance that you can do in one continuous run. So the maximum run that you can do with this range, depending on the variants that you're going to purchase. So we're going to have a look at that in a minute. The LED chip that we use in this range are still the same, so high quality LED chip with an SDCM of 3 for white and SDCM 5 for RGB chips, a CRI 90 for a really high color accuracy, and 3 ounces of copper on the PCB, which allow for an even better heat management on the long distance and is above the average standard. Also, even if it's a long range, we have a high density of LED chips, is around 130 LED per meter, which provide an excellent light uniformity. As per every single range that we have in our portfolio, even the U-Cell can be cut to length depending on the copper band available on the LED chips. So these are available at different cut length. It's around 100 millimeter for single white and 166 for RGBW. And as a usual advice, always allow to have enough copper when cutting, in case you have to reconnect the two LED strips together to allow for a really, really good connection using the accessories. The U-Cell is available in IP20, IP65, and IP67, depending on the application. So IP20 is perfect for indoor applications. IP65, IP67 variants are perfect for highlighting, for example, building facade, structural outlines, so perfect for the outdoor environment. As a usual advice for IP67 especially, even if it's waterproof, they are not meant to be used in submersible areas, so where the LED strip could be submerged for a long period of time, because that could be damaging to the LED strip. So please bear in mind when you create this type of installation. The U-Cell is available in 2 variants, so we're going to have both a single white and an RGBW. The single white has a really good choice of color temperature that you can go through, but we'll have a 2200 Kelvin, which is a really super warm white, perfect for decorative application, up to 6500 K, which is classic daylight white. Besides selecting the color temperature, you can also select the power output. 4.8 watt per meter is ideal for feature lighting, architectural accent, and subtle ambient lines. And 4.6 watt per meter is suitable as a primary light source. The single white, of course, being part of the ultra long range, can do a maximum of 5 meter run powered by one single driver, and that's why the name ultra long. So it's perfect, for example, if you have to create light of lines in really long corridor, like the one that you can find in shopping malls or in airports. These ones are available in pack of 30 or 50 meters. The RGBW instead, of course, give the user the accessibility to have multiple million of colors plus a single white channel dedicated to. So you will have RGB plus a white chip. They could be 3000K, 4000K, or 6500K. And it can run up to a 20 meter maximum in one run. The RGBW is ideal for outdoor retail facades, hospitality building, where there is need to change the color depending on particular event that are going on or national holiday. And for example, large indoor malls where dynamic color scenes are part of the environmental structure of the experience of a shopping mall. All the control options for the RGBW, they can be done through the classic remote controller, or they can be controlled through the Kazambi app on your smartphone if connected to a Kazambi controller.